What if I told you there's a way to end a mosquito's life with science and precision? Mosquitoes aren't just annoying, they're the deadliest animals on Earth. But instead of just swatting them, let's use science to fight back. High-voltage mesh traps work by creating an electric field. When a mosquito touches the mesh, zap! The voltage arcs through its tiny body, cooking it in milliseconds. Why does this work? Mosquitoes have very low electrical resistance. Current flows easily, death by conduction. Mosquitoes communicate and navigate using wing beat frequencies. But if we blast ultrasonic frequencies at 38 to 44 kilohertz, it disorients their flight. Some frequencies mimic predator wing beats like dragonflies. They freak out and flee. Ever seen a mosquito sucked into a fan? That's Bernoulli's principle at work. Fast air equals low pressure. Slow air equals high pressure. A sudden pressure drop near a fan draws them in. Snap. Mosquitoes hunt by detecting carbon dioxide and warmth. Some traps mimic body heat and exhalation. They lure mosquitoes into a chamber, and then suffocate or dehydrate them. But here's the most savage trick. Let the mosquito keep drinking. Some species lack the reflex to stop. They gorge until their abdomen ruptures. A death by greed. Blood pressure builds. Tissue split open. Boom. Want to push it further? Tense your muscles slightly where it bites. It increases local blood flow. Apply heat to dilate vessels. And above all, don't move. Stillness is bait. So next time you see a mosquito, don't just swat. Outsmart it. Because science is the cruelest weapon of all.